the fuck? 뭐야? 뭐야? Big one? Where? There?
Okay. Jack, dito ay sabi niya. Oo, dito tayo sa kabila. Kasi yung frame natin. Ah!
I can't see my arm.
Oh!
Your eyes.
Wash your hand. I'll wash the face. Water. Oh! Are you okay? Yeah. Look at us.
By the way, I told chat yesterday, I was like, we're not gonna buy a truck until I get 300 subs. I moved the money though. That's the one thing. I did move the money. So I do have the money to spend on a truck now available. But yeah, I gotta wait the 300 subs, you know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers wanna see us ball out of control. I gotta be making some money in order to ball out of control. Zuka, thank you, Zuka. Appreciate you with the one gifted, by the way. The house that they honestly went to today was the house that I think that I'm gonna buy. Based on all the pictures, it hits all the check marks. The location's exactly where I like it. It has all fucking furniture with air conditions and shit like that, all hooked up. The price is good, but they fucked up and they went to go see the house without me, so that kind of leaves a bitter fucking taste in my mouth. You know what I mean? Because what it says to me is like, you don't give a fuck if I was upset this morning. You know what I mean? I thought you and your mom were gonna go out to get something to eat for lunch. Why would you ever go to see the fucking house without the person that's gonna buy the house? That shit makes no sense to me. Now, I don't want to fight more, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to explain my situation, because I don't want this shit to happen again. No leverage? What the fuck are you talking about, RPG? I have no idea what you're talking. No leverage. You know what my leverage is? Right here, look. That's my fucking leverage right here. See that? It's in my pocket.